The first thing you need to do is sign up for a Shopify account. And if you use the link at the top of the video description, it will bring you to this sign up page. Using this special sign up link will get you an extended free trial, where the first 3 months will only cost you $1 per month. That gives you plenty of time to design your Shopify website without rushing. I'll click here to enter my email address, and then I'll click Start Free Trial. Then I'll enter my password here and click Create Shopify Account. Then I'm going to enter all my payment information, and once I have that in, I'll click Subscribe for $1. Here I'm going to click Try Basic. You can always upgrade later if you need, but what you see in this tutorial will be done on the basic plan. And here, if you already have your business address, go ahead and enter that. Otherwise, you can click Add Later. I'm going to walk you through the entire website design process step by step. So to get into the dashboard faster, click Skip Customize Setup.